Hiya, Martin here, thanks for joining me, I hope you're well. I bet you're wondering why I'm talking to you from a lake. Well, back in 2021, Les Thorne reintroduced me to the joys of fishing, and since then I have tried to go fishing as often as I can. And there's another reason I've come fishing, not least because it gives me a chance to be around a natural environment and enjoying the birds and the fish, of course, whenever they happen to bite. Despite the fact at the moment you can hear quite a lot of traffic noise behind me, I expect, as this gorgeous lake is right next to a main dual carriageway. So there we are. It's just something we have to put up with. But there are only two places really that I can do some serious sort of thinking. One of them is by the lake, sat on my own for a day or two, just watching the water, watching the birds, that kind of thing. And the other one is in the shower. But I will not be taking a camera into the shower so I can record my thoughts. So recently I've been thinking, as you do. It's almost 10 years since I released the very first Turner's Journey, and it's just about 4.5 years since I released the last one. And an awful lot has happened. You know, the original premise of Turner's Journey was to chart my progress from being a novice turner through to a full-time turner. And I stopped doing Turner's Journey about a year after I was accepted onto the Register of Professional Turners. And a hell of a lot has happened since then. And it's a shame that I didn't really carry on with Turner's Journey. So I'm going to bring it back. I've decided, with thinking primarily in the shower recently, I'm going to bring Turner's Journey back pretty much weekly if I possibly can. I've got time to do it, particularly if I get into the habit of recording what I'm doing sort of on a daily basis as I do sort of individual tasks and stuff like that. I've got the time to do it, and I've also got the time to edit it, because it was never particularly technical to edit even in the first place. And I've got all this camera equipment and these super duper computers and stuff, and they are being somewhat underutilized. So it's time to bring back Turner's Journey. So as the title of this video says, hello again. It's going to be good to be back. The full normal series will start probably the first week of August, the first Friday. Turner's Journey always used to go out on a Friday, so Turner's Journey will continue to go out on a Friday, and it'll all be published retrospectively. So I've got myself a buffer period that I can record and then release later on. So the first proper episode will be going out on the 1st of August 2025, and between I'm filming this the week before, but I'm filming that this will be released I think it's the 13th of June. So each week they will, up until the 1st of August, there'll be a little bit of what's gone on in previous years, and it just so happens that it works out quite nicely. So we'll start with, I think it's 2019, then we'll go 2020, of course, COVID and what we did during COVID, 21, 22, 23, 24, and then the first episode will be 2025, and so on. I think a guy over there's just caught a fish. I had one bream at about 11 o'clock last night. So anyway, the thinking behind bringing back Turner's Journey, just to go into that a little bit more, is I've actually missed it. You know, we have such an active life around the workshops, what with teaching and demonstrating and live streaming and running a club and stuff like that. I think, or I hope, it'll be something that, you know, you guys are interested in. Plus, I've got a book on the way, and it'll be interesting for you to see the process of writing that, rather than just doing those somewhat frustrating sort of 1 minute short videos. But at least if I do a Turner's Journey once a week, even though it will be retrospectively, you can see exactly what I'm doing sort of week in, week out. It's all actually worked out. So perhaps the lap of the gods is working in my favour. I'm certainly very excited about bringing back Turner's Journey, but there'll be more about that in a future episode.